wicked shot right at my nostrils for you. Enjoy that in the edit.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear, clear, clear. The clock has started. The clock has started.
5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1.
You want to clean the glasses?
I do. Good thinking. So straightforward enough on the RainX directions. Thoroughly clean, done. Dry the surface, done. Apply to a cloth using a microfiber applicator and wipe onto exterior glass using a circular motion. Allow it to dry, remove excess with dry cloth or by sprinkling with water and wiping until clear. Wipe, dry and buff then, straightforward enough. Now, it doesn't say how much to apply, so we'll use our better judgment with that and not be shy. So, I'm going to stay this side of the automatic rain sensor. Right, not too bad to apply. You can feel it setting up a little bit in the cloth just as you go. It gets a tiny bit of grab, nothing taxing, but you can certainly feel it starting to cure off a little bit. Let's give that a minute to dry.
Get here with a camera.
Just give it a little spritz of water. That helps. definitely don't over apply, that was a bad decision, and definitely don't over cure it, also bad decision, but misting the water on it helps. So obviously RainX know this is a possibility and they know the solution. So on to the hydrology side. Okay, so similar instructions. The main difference is to apply with microfiber applicator pad, work in circular motions, allow 10 to 15 minutes to dry, so that's the difference, or 10 to 15 minutes for hydrology to bond. Removal is temperature dependent. Allow it to cure, simply wipe excess away with a microfiber cloth. A second cloth may be needed to rebuff. Alternatively, use a damp microfiber cloth, wipe over the glass and wipe excess away with a dry cloth. Okay. So very similar to apply as the RainX. Again, slight grab as you're applying it, nothing too taxing. Longer cure, so we keep an eye on it, and we'll turn the cameras back on when we're ready to buff. Okay, that's 10 minutes. This feels ready to come off. Let's get it buffed. Forries in the RainX side, but like we said, that was probably down to us over applying the RainX. Certainly really easy to take off the hydrology. We'll start out misty. RainX against Hydrology. This is really the first stage of this, because I think the main test on this is going to be in durability. And the reason I say that is, in terms of application, removal and current performance, these are very much of a muchness. The RainX went on a little bit awkwardly on the front window, but that was down to me sploshing the stuff everywhere, so in all fairness, user error on that one. I didn't do that with the Hydrology, and it went off much smoother than the RainX did. However, on the RainX it says if you're having trouble, use a lightly damp cloth, I think it says. Sprinkle with water, so did that and it came off. So application, pretty similar. Removal, pretty similar once you pass the issue that I caused with this. And as you saw in those shots there, they're both beading and sheeting the water off fantastically well. So what we're going to do to make a thorough test as possible is this is also going to be applied on Michael's car, and then we're going to film just throughout the next however many weeks / months it takes for these to fail. We'll just film some updates, so we're going to drop those on Instagram, so keep an eye on those if you want to keep up to this in real time. If not, when the update is done and we've finally got it filmed, then I'm going to put a link in the top corner, one of these, and then we'll give our thoughts as to which one lasted longest and how that reflects value for money comparative to the cost, because obviously this costs absolute peanuts. So to be fair, it's already off to a winner based on the fact this was sub £3. So yeah, sorry it's a little bit of a, it's not even an anticlimax, so apologies it doesn't give you a definitive answer at the end of this, but hopefully in time to come we'll be able to let you know which one is our pick of these two. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and check us out over on Instagram if you want to keep up with this durability test in the real world. Take care.